My name is Tom and I'm really fond of cars. I bought myself a new car and it's a really lovely car. It's 27 years old or almost, and I always was fond of these cars, but yes, well, you will see and you will understand what I mean. It's a Jaguar XJ6, also known by the company's model name X300. It's a successor of the XJ40, which is a successor from the original XJ6. It's a car which I bought in the rain, in the darkness. These are the days before Christmas, so short days in the Netherlands. And it's really a lovely car, but it's also a big gamble if this is a good purchase. I didn't pay a lot for this, but still, it can be a money pit. Let's first start with a cleanup so that we have a better view on what I've bought. So, a couple of hours later, it was really hard work with all the mud in the wheel arches. But I'm really pleased because the lacquer is really good. Hardly no scratches or dents. Only small rust areas in the wheel arches. I think it's not, you cannot see it here. I think here in the edge you can see it. The wheels as such are fine, but also there the lacquer is losing a little bit. But really, it looks great for a car of 27 years old, or almost 27 years old, and more than 400,000 kilometers on the odometer. That's remarkable. Let's see, also here in the wheel arches, you see some rust. This is also a small scratch, but overall, in general, no issue. Here's a little bit waxed. The car is waxed, so I need to remove that with some degreaser. Oh yeah, and this is the place where we have most rust. You can see it here and here and here, but on the hood itself, it's really nice. I'm very pleased with it. Now let's continue on the inside. So we are a couple of weeks further. I wanted to show you the inside of the car, but then the weather got worse and it doesn't make sense. Well, here we have at least a dry area. I have much more time to show you the interior. It's really nice. There is some, I think a kind of echo, so I hope everything will be fine on the video. Maybe it's also good to introduce myself a little bit more. As said, I really like cars all my life, and along the years I started working more and more on cars myself, and I really love it. I watch a lot of YouTube movies about that, about people maintaining their cars or restoring their cars, or bought cheap cars, improve them and sell them again. And well, maybe that's something I want to do in the future as well. But for now, it's pure hobby. I'm not a professional, and just I want to share my activities, especially because when I have the Jaguar, of course, I search YouTube for kind of movies about maintenance, about repair, but unfortunately there is not that much content. I think there's hardly any content about this specific type of Jaguar. Of course, there are some movies, people who bought them, who are proud of the car and show them, and you see some movies about interior, well, which I will do as well, but more movies about just regular maintenance, about repairing, about restoration. I couldn't find them, so I thought that is maybe useful to share on YouTube. So make some movies myself, although it's quite new for me. It's not professional, but I only wanted to share my experience, and hopefully this helps the community, and maybe we get in touch and the community can help me as well when I certainly run into issues which I don't know how to solve. So it's very important, of course, if you are interested in a Jaguar, to subscribe on my channel, to like it, share it with others. Please respond through comments, because then I think I also get some feedback. What is useful? What do you like to hear? Alright, let's have a closer look at the car.
Okay, let's have a closer look. In the interior, it is really lovely. Here you can see the driver's seat. No damages, everything fine. Also, the other seat, really nice. Back seats, fine as well. No sagging headliner. This is really nice. Here you can see the center console. So everything is working. The air conditioning. Clock is working. Most of these older cars have a clock which isn't working anymore. Yeah, the radio display is a little bit damaged. Also here, everything fine. A lot of kilometers made by the car, but everything else, well, it's really looking nice. It has a cruise control, which is, I think, not standard on this model. This is the exclusive, which is the basic model for the X300. All right, let's have a look under the bonnet. Okay, let's have a closer look under the bonnet. In comparison with the V12, you have some room to work on the engine, which is really nice. I didn't do anything about it, but it's really looking great. Just go to the other side. Okay, also here you can see everything is quite clean and everything looks fine for me.
So, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. It was about the introduction of my new car, the Jaguar XJ6. Next video will about some repairs. There is some leakage in the front of the car, probably also at the back. And also in the back, the flexible coupling had some cracks, so I want to replace that as well. So join me next time. Please like this video, subscribe, and we see each other in the next episode. Bye bye.